What's up, guys? My name is Andre, the voice behind the YouTube channel. And if you're wondering what I've been up to or where I've been, I'll fill you in on all the details after this. Okay, so welcome back. I want to thank every one of you for all your support and for getting us past 10,000 subscribers, and we're just getting started. So I took a YouTube hiatus for a little over a year, and during that time I published my first ever book called Jamaican Patois, Get Past Yaman and Speak Jamaican for Real. It's available now for purchase on your online book retailers in paperback and ebook formats, and also coming soon in audiobook format. Some of the earlier subscribers from our YouTube channel and Memrise app have been practicing on our WhatsApp group chat daily and have been making significant strides. So I love what we did so far and the global following that we built, but it's time to take it to the next level. The plan is to do a complete reboot of all the lessons to coincide with the chapters in the book, along with expanded content. You'll have to come back and check in with us. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. You can follow me on social media for more up-to-the-minute updates. The link to the Memrise course and the WhatsApp group will be in the description. And like always, until next time, take it easy.